నాలుగున్నరేళ్ల కాలంలో కేంద్రంలోని భాజపా ప్రభుత్వం అన్ని రంగాల్లో విఫలమైందని కాంగ్రెస్ అధ్యక్షుడు రాహుల్ గాంధీ ధ్వజమెత్తారు. కేంద్రం ప్రవేశపెట్టిన బడ్జెట్ పైన విమర్శలు గుప్పించారు. ఏడాదికి 6,000 పేరిట రైతులకు ఇస్తానన్న సొమ్ము రోజుకు 17 వస్తుందన్నారు. ఈ చర్య రైతులను అవమానించడమేనని రాహుల్ గాంధీ అభిప్రాయపడ్డారు. ఈవీఎంలపై సందేహాలున్నాయని, ఈ మేరకు సోమవారం ఎన్నికల సంఘం అధికారులను కలిసి అభిప్రాయాలు చెబుతామని చెప్పారు. ఈవీఎంలకు సంబంధించి రూపొందించిన డాక్యుమెంట్ను ఎన్నికల సంఘానికి అందజేస్తామన్నారు. ఈవీఎంల విషయంలో రాజకీయ పక్షాలతో పాటు ప్రజలకు కూడా అనేక అనుమానాలున్నాయని రాహుల్ గాంధీ గుర్తు చేశారు.
We've had a very productive meeting of 21 opposition parties. The meeting was called to discuss issues with the EVM, and we're going to be taking that forward. But there was also a very big step taken in the meeting, which was that all the parties have agreed to discuss in detail the three big issues. Well, two central issues and then one structural issue that are facing this country. And the biggest issue in front of this country today is jobs, where Mr. Narendra Modi, the BJP, have failed completely. So we are going to discuss jobs, agriculture, and the attack on institutions, systematic institutions that the government is carrying out. We've agreed to have periodic meetings on these issues and develop solutions to these problems. So I think overall it was a very good meeting, and everybody is quite excited to work together. Sharad Pawar ji, आप कुछ बोलेंगे? Yeah, आप बोलें.
EVM for EVM बोलिए.
On EVMs we have put together a document. We are going to sort of take this document on Monday at
5:30 Monday.
Monday at 5:30 we are taking this document, and then we are going to later make a So we are going to go to the Election Commission with this document 5:30 on Monday, and we have some proposals, distinct proposals there. The main issue with EVMs is that there is a doubt in the minds of many people in this country about the fairness of the EVM system, and so we want to create a backup system so that people can be certain about what is going on. It is about building the confidence of people in the electoral system, and yes, we are looking at that measure. I don't think giving farmers 17 rupees a day is adequately addressing anything. I think it's an insult. I think it's an insult to the Indian farmer to turn around and tell him that you're going to give him 17 rupees every day. I mean, there couldn't be a bigger insult than this. And as far as jobs are concerned, everybody knows what has happened. We are on a 45-year high of unemployment. So there's complete failure on these two fronts, and these two fronts are the critical fronts for the nation.
राहुल जी मोहित दुबे हूँ न्यूज़ नेशन से. सर, मेरा सवाल ये है कि किसानों को लेकर आपने छत्तीसगढ़ में न्यूनतम आय की बात की थी. उसके बाद आपने जैसे कहा कि 500 रुपये महीने देने की बात मोदी सरकार ने की है, और 2 महीने के भीतर 2,000 रुपये जो है किसानों के खाते में चला जाएगा. आपने कहा कि अपमान किया है किसानों का मोदी सरकार ने. तो क्या माना जाए कि लोकसभा चुनाव में एक बड़ा मुद्दा आप लोगों का होगा और आप जाके लोगों को बताएंगे कि नहीं, किसानों की इंसल्ट हुई है, ये कोई योजना नहीं है?
आप 3.5 लाख करोड़ रुपए 15 लोगों का कर्जा माफ कर सकते हो, और किसान को आप 17 रुपए देते हो, दिन के 17 रुपए. अपमान नहीं है तो क्या है? तो बिल्कुल चुनाव किसान के मुद्दे पर, रोजगार के मुद्दे पर और इंस्टीट्यूशनल जो आक्रमण हो रहा है, इन 3 मुद्दों पर चुनाव होगा. और आखिरी बात और जो बहुत जरूरी बात है, प्रधानमंत्री जी के भ्रष्टाचार, राफेल मामले पे चुनाव होगा. अब ये लंबा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि शरद पवार जी की फ्लाइट है, बाकी लोगों की फ्लाइट है, तो यहाँ कंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा. आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
राहुल जी ईवीएम पे एक सवाल. राहुल जी
राहुल जी, ईवीएम को लेकर के एक सवाल है। लंदन में एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस
आप जो अंतरिम बजट है वो मुद्दा विहीन कर दिया है आपको, कि आपके पास पक्ष के पास कोई मुद्दा नहीं है, और ये सभी मुद्दों के, चाहे किसान की बात की जाए, चाहे मध्यम वर्ग या नौकरी पेशा की बात, इसलिए आप जो है आपके ट्वीट पर उन्होंने प्रतिक्रिया दी।
मेरे ट्वीट पे क्या बोला उन्होंने?
बोला कि मुद्दा विहीन हुए हैं आप, आपके पास कहने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, इसलिए इस तरह बात।
हाँ, the surgical strike is going to happen in the next couple of months with Mr. Modi and the government. There's going to be one surgical strike after the other on Rafale, on demonetization, on jobs, on agriculture. हमारे पास बहुत मुद्दे हैं, और भ्रष्टाचार का जो सबसे मेन मुद्दा है बड़ा, जो हिंदुस्तान की जनता को अब समझ आ गई है बात, 30,000 करोड़ रुपए अनिल अंबानी जी को डायरेक्ट नरेंद्र मोदी जी देते हैं, HAL को परे करते हैं। फ्रांस का राष्ट्रपति कहता है कि हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री ने मुझे कहा है कि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अनिल जी को मिलना है। मुद्दों की कहां कमी है हमारे पास। थैंक यू।